Hi friends, how are ya? I need to stop, but anywho's, welcome back to my channel guys. As you can see, Blondie is back and today we're going to be talking about this wig. So if you like what you see, if you want to hear more, don't forget to subscribe below, press that red button, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments anything that you'd like to see in future or know more information on. So let's get started. And so I've had this company called ReadyWig contact me asking me if I would like to review one of their wigs. So here we are. So this is the box that it came in. It's very cute. Unfortunately DHL kind of mashed it up, but anyways, so the company is called ReadyWig. You'll find a lot of information down below in my description box, including a discount code for you guys to save some money. Now let's get in what was inside the box, and once you open it, it looks a bit messy, but here we are. Now they do ship from China and surprisingly the shipping was very quick, faster than I actually expected. So they have a few goodies in there. So the wig came obviously in a hair cap and this was inside to keep it in shape. Also they had a hairnet in there as well as a cute little spray. I'm not too sure what that exactly is for. Maybe it's some salt water to keep up the waves, I'm not sure. And one last thing that I found so cute, they sent a little flower clip, you know those ones on Snapchat. So boom, 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 boom. And hair care instructions and tips as well as all the social media stuff. So yes, so that's what was inside the box. Now let's talk about the wig. So this is 22 inches and guys, it's synthetic, but you can apply heat to it, so you can restyle it, and it says 180 degrees and lower. So the wig does handle a bit of heat for restyling situations. So this is only a center part. No, it's not going to work in any other way, maybe unless you twist it around, but I'm happy with the middle part in. I think it looks cute. This is not a lace front, so this will, I will zoom in later to show you how this situation looks like. And synthetic hair, but it's not shiny. I mean, I don't understand how and why, but I'm happy about it. So I'm actually, like, compared to the other blonde wig that I reviewed, this one I would actually consider wearing out, maybe with a hat or like a cute beret or anything, you know. Definitely would wear it out with a little cap or something on top of my head. Would look cute because this actually looks like real hair. Would you say, would you know if it wasn't real hair if I wore a cap? I mean, it looks real to me. So the price of this wig was £26.03 converted from US dollars. The shipping, I'm not too sure, but if you apply my code, so Jana 8, that will discount like about $2 something off your purchase, and it also is cheaper than the Amazon one that I had. So ding ding ding. So roughly from $33.99, with my discount code you'd pay $31.28. Very bouncy big curls, that's what I like, big wavy curls. It's thick, it's not too heavy. I feel like this is like a good amount of hair on a wig because the other one was heavy. And it's not shiny, it's more like of a silky shine, like real hair type of situation, if you know what I mean. I mean, for photos this is more than cute. I mean, I was really surprised, really surprised about the quality. I thought this is gonna look terrible, I'm not gonna lie, but it doesn't. It actually looks so good. So Blonde Jana is coming at you. Okay, so now that I feel like you've seen a lot of the wig, let's zoom in and show you the head cap and everything else. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Obviously there's no lace front, so there's no glue. It says that the wig cap is average and adjustable because there's size, I'll show you. But this is how it looks at the front. So once again, I'd wear it with a hat. So let me take this off. Once again, if you part it, it's not gonna really work because the middle parting is only in the middle, and you know, you get the gist. And let's get into the hair. So this is how the cap looks like. I didn't take off the tag yet. Here we are. There's no clips around it in this one, so it's kind of a, in my opinion, put on top of your head and hope for the best type of situation. But adjustable straps are here, so mine kind of is clipped like 2 in from each side. So here it is unclipped, and yeah, so that's how the wig looks off. Once again, very bouncy, nice loose curls that I cannot achieve on my own hair because me and my hair are not really friends when we curl it up. So that's how it looks. I mean, it's very nice. The ends are like not too fake looking. It's a natural looking wig. Like if you have good hair, this is the type of hair that you'd have. Not too full, not full. And as I say, this is like a more natural shine than plastic shine. So yeah guys, this was my review on the ReadyWig wig. Surprisingly shocking, good quality, good price. We'll definitely get more from them since it's affordable. And come on, I look like I'm Bohemian or something, whatever it's called. So yeah guys, don't forget to use my discount code and all of the socials if you want to see any more wigs. All the information is going to be linked down below in the description box below, as well as you'll find the link somewhere here at the top and at the end of the video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.